Top 5 ways to get traffic to your website. Need more traffic to your website? Putting in lots of time and effort and not seeing the returns in your web stats? Sometimes the answer doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 5 free and very simple ways to increase traffic to your website instantly. 1. Be active in online communities. Number 1 is to be active in online communities. That could mean posting on Reddit, the appropriate subreddit for your niche, that is, or it could mean posting in forums. Either way, though, the key here is not to simply promote your site, but rather to become an active member of the community who people respect. 2. Answer questions. Answering questions on Yahoo Answers and Quora is one of the easiest and most effective free ways to get traffic to your site. Not only will you get direct visitors, but you will also benefit from raising your profile as an expert on the subject. 3. Guest post. One of the oldest but most effective ways to get free visitors to your website is to write guest posts. These are blog posts that will go on another website or blog. You offer the content for free, though, and in exchange, you ask for a link back to your site. Not only does this do a lot for your SEO, but it also creates direct traffic and acts as a referral that people trust. 4. Google+. Posting your content on Google+ communities can be a very effective way to gain free visitors to your website. These communities are relatively low competition, but are seen by thousands of people. Not only that, but all the +1s you gain will help with your position in Google as well. Again, this method is more successful if you first take the time to build your reputation within that community. 5. Use free advertising. One last method to get free traffic is to sign up for Google AdSense and to use the initial free advertising budget you will be afforded. Usually, you will only get $50 to $100 to spend as a bonus, but if you're smart, you can get a surprisingly large amount of traffic that way, which can lead to even more visitors if you play your cards right. These are just a few of the ways you can get free visitors to your website, showing that sometimes it just takes a little creativity.